In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP LaserJet MFP M235sdw printer step by step. We'll go from unboxing the printer to loading paper, connecting Wi-Fi, installing drivers, and finally, printing your first test page successfully. So watch this video till the end to complete your printer setup quickly and correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the package, you will find the HP LaserJet MFP M235sdw printer, power cable, setup guide, starter toner cartridge, pre-installed in most units. Now remove all orange tapes, protective packaging materials, plastic covers, and the paper sheet from inside the printer. Make sure nothing is left inside before turning it on. Step 2. Next, connect the power cable to the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. Now press the power button, wait for the printer to start. The printer will make some initialization noise. This is normal. Step 3. Pull out the paper input tray. Slide the paper width guides outward. Now load A4 or letter size paper. Align the paper properly. Then adjust the guides so they fit snugly against the paper edges. Close the tray cover properly. Your paper is now loaded successfully. Step 4. Now we install the required printer software. On your computer or mobile device, open your browser. Go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app. You can also install HP Smart from Windows Store, Apple Store, Google Play Store. Once installed, open the HP Smart app. Before connecting the printer to Wi-Fi, make sure your printer is turned on. Your computer or phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Your device is near the printer during setup. This helps the connection process complete smoothly. Step 6. Open the HP Smart app. Click Add Printer. The app will search for available printers nearby. Select HP LaserJet MFP M235sdw. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait while the printer connects to the wireless network. Once connected, your printer is ready to use wirelessly. Step 7. After Wi-Fi setup finishes, HP Smart will automatically install the required drivers. This allows your computer or mobile device to print, scan, copy, and access printer settings. Wait until installation completes. Then click Finish Setup. Now let's confirm everything is working correctly. Open any document on your device. Click Print, select HP LaserJet MFP M235sdw, then click Print. If the printer prints successfully, congratulations! Your printer setup is complete. Step 9. Test Scan function. Optional but recommended. Place a document on the scanner glass. Open the HP Smart app. Click Scan, select your printer, then press Scan. If the scan appears on your screen, your scanner setup is working perfectly. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Move your device closer to the printer. Make sure both devices are connected to the same network. Then reopen the HP Smart app and try again. This solves most setup problems quickly. And that's it! Your HP LaserJet MFP M235sdw printer is now fully set up and ready to print, scan, and copy. If you need any help with printer setup, driver installation, or Wi-Fi connection issues, to contact our support team anytime. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who need printer setup support. Thanks for watching.